the last few years, I've had these red-bellied woodpeckers nesting behind my house. Last year they had 3 babies. This year they had 2. As far as I can tell, there's 2 anyway. This one has found its way finally to the suet feeder and has decided to get very defensive. I'd watch out, little tree sparrow. She's about ready to use that pointy thing. Perhaps if I just approach this the right way. Nah, I don't think so. Come on. Alright, so maybe they're gonna leave me alone. Oh, damn it. Alright, so you stay on that side, I'll stay on this side. I'll just act natural. I don't see you, you don't see me. Just eat my suit. Oh, damn it. Why is there always a... now I'm stuck in here. Oh, there, wait. You little... Don't taunt me. I can get out of here. And when I get out of here, it's going to be you and me coming after you. I got